Hi there, welcome to my channel. New channel is Tech Tasty channel, and here you looking for is AvoMap and create 3D videos of your adventures. You can create your videos, your adventure video in no time. Type your activity, just instant preview and 4K resolution. Fly across the globe. You can anywhere combine flight and drives. You can track and create a stunning video. Also in the flight section, there's look like this is amazing. Join thousand of you. Here is the custom your logo. Edit your customs logo in your tracking or your videos. Control your video editor. Fly among with dynamic camera. Your dynamic camera. Edit marker in a second. Just a second. You can edit here symbols. Edit new symbols and look like this. There's the edit. The symbols are very getting 3D. Create custom symbols. You can create your custom symbols in PNG, JPG. Upload your GPX or KML file. Here look like this. Your KPL file. Edit your avatar to your video. Add the look like this. Is edit avatar. How look like this or this video 3D or looking where are you going through in the tracking, and very smooth, and it was a very unique for. And in this is an example like this example video and created some by. Here is the look is the video end of the video. Here is the example video 2, and look like this in the example video, and look like this you're tracking on. It should very comfortable and very easy to use to create a stunning video like this. And you can create at your blog and just create from the link below. And here the another example, just creating with this and go with this link and create the stunning view like this. Thank you, and like and share. Please subscribe my channel.